Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't have an intro yet. This is my first time actually talking to you guys, because I got my whole setup up to par, you know, finally, you know, after like 2-3 years. Yeah, I take forever. I'm sorry, but this is me. I filmed this look today. This look right here is my go-to look if I'm running errands, if I want to look cute to go to the mall or to go for brunch or something. This is what I go for. You know, it's not heavy. I don't have no lashes on, you know, just very lightweight and comfortable. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much, and let's get into the video. So first thing I'm going to do is my brows. For my brows, I'm going to do it with the NYX-Micro Brow pencil. And I'm gonna touch up the ends a little bit with the brow gel right here. For concealer, I will use the LA Pro concealer. Everyone uses it. And Almond. Okay. And with this e.l.f. concealer brush. And that's it. I'm not gonna do it on camera because it will take forever, but I will be right back. Brows all done. Primer. I'm going to use the number 7 Airbrush Away Primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I love this foundation so much because it feels like skin, and it's this Loreal Infallible Pro Glow. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade 211. Sometimes I mix it with 210, but that's sometimes. That's when I'm like feeling a little bit too dark. So to apply my foundation, I'm going to use this Eco Tools sponge. Let me tell you about this sponge. This sponge does something to my soul. Only Jesus knows. The flow, how it rolls on my face, so that's so nice. Okay. One thing I have to tell you guys is that this foundation smells like straight up alcohol. Whatever's left on a sponge, I just apply it on my nose. I don't put extra on my nose because it makes my nose look cakey. Excuse this. This is the brow gel. Alright, so this is literally one layer of this foundation. Alright, so next I apply a little bit of concealer. This is the Loreal True Match in the shade Light Medium. The only thing I have to say I don't like about this sponge is that you see the shape of it. One side is long and the other side is short right here. So it's like, how do you use it to, you know, under your eyes? But all I do is I press it right here like this. Press it like that, and then I do it. And I put it all over my eyelids also because I don't want my lids looking darker than my whole face. So whatever's left on the sponge, I just put it on there. You see? It lights up the whole eye area and under my eyes. Look at my chin. Everything blended out so well. Feels like skin. Trust me, try this. You'll be like, oh my god, my face looks so good. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and put in my setting powder on my face. And I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution setting powder. This thing is bomb. As you can see, I only put a little bit under my eyes and I put more on my chin and my nose because I don't like the whole baking thing, you know, especially when it's like just a regular look. It ain't for me. So now I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. brush. Oh, have a number on it. 101 is this clear brush. I really like these brushes. e.l.f. brushes get the job done, honey. You do not need to spend a whole bunch of money for brushes. I'm just saying, e.l.f. brushes, Real Technique brushes. What else I have here? Eco Tools brushes, the sponge. You do not need to spend a lot of money. Flawless. After this, I just apply a little bit of face powder just to set my whole face. Is this Loreal True Match powder in the shade Caramel Beige W7. So I just swirl it around with my brush and just tap all over my face, you know. I don't sweep. I ain't trying to sweep my makeup off. Just tap, you know. Tap it in there. Alright, so after this, I go straight into bronzing. So for bronzing, I use this Eco Tools highlighting brush. I know it says it's a highlighting brush, but I don't care. I use it to bronze. I mean, it works for me. Might not work for you, but it works for me. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Queen Natural Hue Bronzer and shade Q110. Yeah, this is how it looks. So after this, I just go in with blush. So this is what I'm going to use. I don't have a specific color I use, so I just sweep it like that 3 times and I just dab. I'm just going to apply my favorite. Oh my god, there is none like this. Well, people said there is, but this is my favorite. The Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Come on. I have a habit of putting 2 layers of mascara. I rarely ever just put one because that's boring in my opinion. Do you see this? Before and after. This is my everyday lashes. Mascara. Hello. Now I'm just going to lock in my brows with this e.l.f. gel. Please do not sleep on e.l.f. This works really well. You know, this just locks in your brows. Like, it doesn't move the whole freaking day. It stays locked up. I am not an eyeliner person, but when I do use an eyeliner, I use this NYX Jumbo eye pencil. It has a shade on it, 601 Black Bean. Yeah, I use this, and sometimes, not all the time. Most of the time I use brown, just so it could look more natural. But I can't find the brown one, so I'll just go ahead and use this black one. Just a little bit though, not a lot. I put so little that you can barely see it, and that's how I like to wear it, like so little. Today I want to use this Milani. I was at Target the other day, and I'm like, Target carries Milani now? I never knew that. Like, am I late, or I don't know, or is it just my Target that just now carries it? But I want to try this. Look how beautiful this looks. Just look at this. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to use this highlighting brush from e.l.f. right here. Oh. Milani, I knew I loved you for a reason, girl. I don't think I want to put any more because this is like a everyday type of look, so I want to do more. A little bit goes a long way with this, so be a little bit careful. I mean, I like highlighters, so. Oh my god. This is some good stuff. Believe me, all honesty here. Milani is like bomb.com, okay? This is my first time using this, so. Okay, so my camera did shut off a little bit, so I did go along and, you know, added some highlighter around my lips, just so when I put my lipstick or my gloss, it could pop a little bit, you know. So yeah, so now for lips, I am going to use this Maybelline Matte lipstick in the shade 657. Before I apply the lipstick, I just go ahead and line my lips with this Jordana Lipliner in number 5. Okay, so now that my lipstick is on, I'm just going to apply my lip glosses. Both of them are the NYX Butter glosses. I have 2 shades. This one is what I will apply first all over, and it's the shade, what is this? Fortune Cookie? Ooh. And this one I'm just gonna apply like in the middle. This one is Vanilla Cream Pie. So let's start with Fortune Cookie all around. Yes, honey. So as a setting spray, I will be using, it's probably the only thing that I'm not using that's from Drugstore. Please forgive me. I haven't found any Drugstore setting spray that I like, honestly. So I will be using this Scandinavia spray. I forgot one thing. One more thing. To fill in my beauty marks, freckles, baby marks, whatever they are, whatever people call them, I am going to use this LA Girl Fine Art. It's like a brown shade. What shade is it? Expresso. Expresso is not black. Here we go. Let's drown in this setting spray. I forgot to apply just a little bit highlight in here just to give my eyes a little pop. That's what I really like to do, and I forgot. Same Milani highlighter. Just apply it in here. Trust me, this makes a difference and you will see. I don't even need more. This is like already boom. Do you see that? Before, after. I just like how it gives my inner corners like a little pop. Whoever created this technique is a genius. After my highlight, I am done. That's it. My face is sprayed. I am done. Let me know if you guys like it. If you don't like it, it's fine with me. I mean, I like it. This is my everyday makeup routine. All drugstore. The only thing I didn't use as drugstore is the setting spray. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say except that I enjoyed making this video, and that's it. I love you guys and thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.
It's for the Keisha.